What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon. Just gonna get this out real quick as we take a look at this box. This is my new LaterCase for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Those of you on the YouTube interwebs probably know about these cases. The guy who designed and makes them, his name is Lou, and he's got a podcast channel called the Lou Later Podcast. It's a tech podcast that he does every single day live on YouTube, and he's also got a tech channel for different tech products called Unbox Therapy. But anyways, we're going to take a little look around the box, and we're going to open up this bad boy and check it out. And this is like a real thin Kevlar style type case, but very, very thin. So it's almost like there won't be anything on your phone at all when you put it on. And it's actually really quite awesome, if I'm being honest. I particularly like the full cover of the cutouts for the camera, so it protects the camera. I've noticed a lot of the iPhone 14 Pro Max cases that I've gotten from other companies don't do it this way, so that is pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to putting this on my phone. There is the Twitter handle for the LaterCase, at LaterCase. You can go there and find all the information about ordering one. But anyways, this was a very quick unboxing of my new LaterCase for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.